When a black man says that you are pretty for a dark-skinned girl, he will nod his head. He will say this with a chuckle in the basement of his throat, as though words like these are not the smoking pistols that wound the self-esteem of women who wear midnight on their skin. He will say this with a smile, as if he is almost, but not quite willing to excuse the amount of Africa still living inside of your DNA. What he is saying is that there is a railroad on the color wheel and you are clearly from the wrong side of the tracks. He will treat you as though you were born without knees and somehow figured out how to crawl. When he pats you on the back, understand that there is no apology in the trunk or a compliment riding shotgun. His wisdom teeth are wearing white hoods. Don't let him burn crosswords into your pride. Never ever forget that you are a constellation. And I've owned a telescope since the day I was born. Even on days when you feel completely invisible, I see you.